Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to locate the Windows Media Player in Windows 10. So if for some reason you don't see it or it's unavailable, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to locate it. So first thing, if you're using a special version of Windows 10 such as Windows 10N or KN, I'm going to show you guys how you would actually go ahead and enable it. So we would open up the start menu here and type in Windows Features. Best match should come back with Turn Windows Features on or off. Go ahead and left click on that. You would locate Media Features here and select the little plus sign after it. And make sure Windows Media Player is checkmarked in here. So again, make sure there's a checkmark next to Windows Media Player. Go ahead and select OK. You might need to restart your computer once you're done and see if that has resolved the problem. Another thing, I would suggest changing your default apps to Windows Media Player. So open up the start menu here and type in default best match, or one of the best matches underneath settings should say default apps. Go ahead and select that. You could also get to this by going through settings and then selecting the app tile as well. And then you would see default apps on the left side and just would select that. So anyway, on the right now you can change your music player and video player to Windows Media Player. So if you were to select, let's just say music player for this example, and we just select the group music, we're going to go select Windows Media Player now. And then you could do the same thing for the video player as well. So again, pretty straightforward, and you can see it's changed to correspond to our selection here. So I would suggest restarting your computer once that's done though, just to make sure everything takes effect, and that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.